Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to verify student ID on SheerID. First, go to the student discount section of the store or service you want to use. For example, if you want a discount from Nike, first go to the official Nike website. Once you are on the home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for the promotions and discounts section. In that section, find the student section and click on it. After that, click the button that says Verify Status. This will take you to the SheerID verification page. Now you will see a form that says Verify Your Details. All fields are required, so make sure you fill everything correctly. First, select your school. Please choose a school that appears on the list of eligible high schools, colleges, or universities. Do not type a random name. Only select your official institution from the list. Next, enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your school records. Then enter your email address. This is needed to send you your unique discount code, so make sure it is correct and active. After that, enter your birth date. This is used for verification purposes only. You will need to select your month, day, and year. In some cases, you may also be asked to provide a U.S. mobile number, but only U.S. numbers are supported. Once you complete all the fields, submit the form. If SheerID cannot verify your information instantly, you will be asked to upload proof of enrollment. This can be a student ID card, enrollment letter, or class schedule in digital form. Make sure the document is clear and readable. After submitting, wait for confirmation. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email with a unique discount code or a link to activate your savings. Thanks for watching.